IMC Construction is a full-service construction company located west of Philadelphia. The ability to respond to data within minutes or an hour in pre-construction is beyond valuable to the client and the owner and different project stakeholders. Assemble has really helped us with our quantity takeoff time. We're reducing takeoff time by as much as 40%. Before Assemble, we were constantly exporting data from Revit to Excel or constantly overlaying different sets of drawings to compare different iterations of the design, what had changed, how much it had changed by. It was really painstaking and time-consuming process, and there was really no way to stay on top of the current data and understand the cost drivers of the project. Something that used to take us days to complete, now we can do it in less than a couple minutes.
We were doing our own models from scratch and utilizing architects' models. The bottleneck was really digesting that data and organizing that data and pulling that data out of the model. Assemble makes that almost instantaneously and very easy. You can view all the quantities from the entire job throughout the whole model, or you can focus on narrow pieces and isolate your focus on, say, just concrete or just steel or just windows.
Designs change all the time. Even once the CDs come out, the design is going to change. Nobody likes to do the same thing twice. However, Assemble makes that a little bit easier, because as we get a new model or update our models, we can instantly put in Assemble and we can see what's changed.
So the biggest selling point of Assemble for us was the ability for my entire estimating team to use the software without having to know Revit. And we get a trial with some other software, and we elected to go with Assemble and make it easier for everybody to use.
The less time you are spending doing your takeoff, the more time you can spend finding more cost-effective solutions for the client. Utilizing Assemble really makes things faster and more efficient and more reliable.